Let's try, guys. Wow. Mmm. Very nice, guys. Very creamy, very nice. I never had like that cheesecake. Wow. Trust me, guys. Try this recipe. Very nice. Hi everyone, welcome to Taste the World with Chef Fasa YouTube channel. Today we are going to make viral trending dessert in Dubai right now. This is called burnt cheesecake. Let's see how to make this easy cheesecake. We have only few ingredients. Let's see, guys. These are the ingredients: Philadelphia cream cheese, fresh vanilla bean, custard sugar, whole egg, and heavy cream, T55 flour. Only this is the ingredients, so I'm gonna show you now how to make step by step, guys. Okay guys, first of all we are going to mix cream cheese and sugar. This is the fresh vanilla bean, so I'm going to cut the fresh vanilla bean. It's the fresh vanilla beans, you can see, guys. So slowly take out nicely. This is very expensive, guys, so be careful, don't waste even 1 gram. Look at this. So I'm going to start mixing in slow speed. So we need to mix until melt the sugar. Now I'm going to add my fresh egg one by one. Now I'm going to mix the heavy cream, so we can call this whipping cream also. Okay guys, now I'm going to shift in the flour. So when you shift in the flour, your cake will be very soft and smooth. So guys, any cake when you make, so don't forget to shift in the flour always. This is good technique. Okay guys, so we are going to mix again. So keep in mind when you add the flour, after you don't mix so long time, slowly you mix very few minutes. As soon as the flour mix, so remove from the mixture. Okay guys, so you can see already flour was mixed in the mixture, so I'm going to stop. So before you bake the cake, you need to reheat the pan with water, because we're going to steam the cake. So before you bake the cake, you need to reheat water and the pan. So we will put in the oven before we put the cake. Guys, now we are going to set the oven. So 240 Celsius. And fan number 2. Humidity 50%. Now I will put my water in the tray for preheat. So guys, let's go back. We will prepare the tray and we will back to the baking, guys. Now I'm gonna show you how to prepare the cake mold. So I'm gonna use aluminum foil cheesecake cream. I'm gonna put double aluminum foil because you're gonna do steam, so make sure water will not go inside the cake. So that's the reason I'm gonna put soda layers. So do the same, guys. Now I'm gonna put a little bit oil spray and I will put baking paper around. Guys, now my pan and water already heated, so now we're going to take the cake straight away. So when you take out, so be careful, guys. This one really hot. Please be careful when you make the cake. Now I will put my cake inside. I'm going to strain my mixture. Guys, let's bake the viral burnt cheesecake. Okay guys, I will explain one more time. 240 Celsius, humidity 50% and 15 minutes. Fan number 3. Here we go. After 15 minutes, we will take out the cake, we will turn and we will rebake again. I will explain, guys, don't worry. Guys, now our burnt cheesecake is ready. Let's see. Wow, look at the color, guys. Oh my god. Wow. It's shaking inside. Wow. Okay guys, let's keep cooling down now. This is called trending burnt cake in Dubai, guys. Let's keep for cooling down, then we can go for testing. Okay, now cheesecake is ready, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. 6 hours, I will keep it, so then I can cut nicely, guys. So don't forget to keep in 6 hours in the chiller, so you will get best result. Guys, now already finished 6 hours. This is the best moment. Let's see the cheesecake. Wow, look at this, guys. That's why we call this is trending Dubai burnt cheesecake. Yalla, let's see. Okay guys, I hope it should come now. Oh wow, look at this. This is amazing. Are you ready, guys? Oh, let's open the cheesecake. Yalla bina, let's go. Look at this. Wow, looks very delicious, guys. Let's cut the cheesecake, guys. Wow. Okay guys, let's cut the cake. So I'm gonna heat the knife a little bit. So cut. Wow, look at this, guys. It's look like the block of cheese. Let's see the structure, guys. Wow. Look at this. See the guys inside. Wow. Very creamy. Let's make trend, guys. I'm gonna burn the cheesecake with sugar. Let me show you how to do this. Let's try, guys. Wow. Mmm. Very nice, guys. Very creamy, very nice. I never had like that cheesecake. Wow. Trust me, guys. Try this recipe. Very nice.